The 93 Battalion of Border Security Force Chedema Kohima on Tuesday organized a rally race half marathon in commemoration of its martyrs and heroes of 1971 war. The run, which began from the police headquarters in Kohima, was flagged off by the Superintendent of Police Kohima, Manoj Kumar IPS. A total of 125 personnel from the unit participated in the run. The commandant of 93 Battalion, Surinder Singh, informed that the 93 Battalion was one of the oldest battalions in the country, which was raised on 1st April 1968 with amalgamation of troops from various BSF units and Manipur Rifles. Right after its formation, this unit participated in 1971 war in Eastern Theatre, and at the time of conflict, this unit was deployed in Talaimura in Tripura. It undertook various operations to repulse the attack of East Pakistan Army and halted its advance into Indian territories at the same time, the commandant said. He added that the battalion had organized the marathon to remember and pay tribute to the comrades who made the ultimate sacrifice for our motherland and also to draw inspiration from their martyrdom. The battalion informed that the acts of valor and sacrifice always inspire the troops and soldiers to strive for nation building by concerted efforts.
हाल ही में 16 दिसंबर को विजय दिवस मनाया गया है और हमारी बटालियन जो है बीएसएफ की वन ऑफ दी ओल्डेस्ट बटालियन में से है। इसको 71 वॉर में जब ये शुरू हुआ वॉर तो ये तलियामुरा त्रिपुरा में डिप्लॉय थी और उस टाइम जो है इसको काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट टास्क मिले। अपना उन्होंने काफ़ी ऑपरेशंस किए हमारी यूनिट ने एनिमी टेरिटरी में, और जो हमारे जो साथी थे उनके वेलोर और सेक्रीफाइस की जो सेक्रीफाइस उन्होंने किया वो हमें इंस्पायर करेगा कि जो है हम सब मिलके अपने आपसी भेदभाव मिटा के राष्ट्र निर्माण में हमेशा कार्यरत रहें और देश की जो सुरक्षा है उसको जो है हम बनाए रखें।